from the dust? Who brought her here?
Qui l'a amené ici?
What's her behavior in the house?
Comment elle se comporte à la maison?
Very wide.
Very wide. Very wide.
1, 2, 3. Jesus' name. Welcome, sister.
Bienvenue la sœur.
How are you?
Comment
I've
ça?
been preaching here and looking at you. I'm seeing a family python.
Je prêchais, je te regardais,
A
j'ai vu
snake that is fighting the family.
le python familial qui se cache dans la famille.
You have brothers,
Tu as les frères,
but they are complaining.
mais ils se plaignent.
They can't move forward.
Ils ne peuvent pas avancer.
Talking to you.
Je m'adresse à toi.
Yes.
Last time you were sick.
La dernière fois, tu étais malade.
You were seriously down.
Tu étais vraiment malade.
It's that snake.
C'est cette serpent.
You even had a sudden pain on your leg.
Tu as une douleur soudaine sur tes pieds.
Huh?
Oui, c'est vrai.
It's that snake.
C'est cette serpent.
God will deliver you now.
Le Seigneur va te délivrer maintenant.
But after the deliverance,
Après la délivrance,
remember your position in God.
rappelle-toi ta position à Dieu.
Obedient.
L'obéissance.
Amen.
Put your hand on that leg.
Posez tes mains sur le pied.
Jésus-Christ. Abaye, quittez dans son corps, dans sa famille. C'est pas là. Tu l'as fait quoi? Hein? Autour de toi? Who are you? Who are you? Hey, come here. Take her over there. You see? Remove her from the dust. Who brought her here?
Qui l'a amené ici?
Hein? Son mari où? Hein?
This is the husband.
Tu t'assois. Si c'était l'argent que je lui donne maintenant, tu vas me dire que tu es son mari. N'est-ce pas? Venez ici. Vous asseoir. Tu vois ta femme là-bas, elle souffre seule. Tu t'assois. Qui es-tu dans son corps? Hein? Tu écris? What's her behavior in the house?
Comment elle se comporte à la maison?
Very wide.
Very wide. Very wide.
Who is she to you?
Elle est qui
It's
pour
my
toi?
daughter-in-law.
Your daughter-in-law.
Yeah.
How is she wide? Why you say she's
I
wide?
don't know.
Eh?
That's why I brought her here.
She have too much anger.
Too much anger.
And also anyhow.
See children anyhow. Eh? The snake.
C'est le serpent. Maintenant, tu ne vas plus voir.
Come here, come here. Come here. Take up. Come here. Come here. Who are you? Come here. Take up. Come here. Holy Ghost, fire everybody. Lift her first. Fire. Fire. Look at the rule that says go to your husband. Fire. Come on. Fire. Everybody. Fire. Who are you? What have you done to her? What have you done to this woman? Eh? What have you done to her? Fire. What have you done to her? Eh? What On the floor, fire. On the floor, fire. Sur le sol, le feu, partout. Sur le sol, le feu là-bas, fire, 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 fire. Take her out. So, let's go. Out. 1, 2, 3. Jesus' name. Thank you, Lord. Rise up, you are free. Stand up, you are free. Stand, take her, help her. How are you? How are you?
Comment tu vas?
I'm fine.
What happened to you? Who is this man? Your husband?
Yes.
You say you are beating children in the house. Is it true? Yeah?
Yes.
You beat them again. Will you beat them again?
No.
Yeah?
No.
Good. So she's delivered.
Elle est délivrée.
Thank you, Lord. Living. Take him up. See, the man is making like that. He want to resist. He's trying to hold himself. No way. Where's the wife?
Où est la
The wife have also abandoned him. 50-50. Can you clap for Jesus Christ?
Acclamons pour Jésus-Christ.
You have abandoned your husband here.
Tu as abandonné ton mari ici.
I don't see what is happening to him.
Tu ne vois pas ce qui se passe avec
Come
lui.
and help him.
Viens l'aider.
Fire! Come out of his body. Fire! Go. Go. Come on. Go. Out! Out! Jesus' name. Thank you. Accept, you are free. How are you feeling your body now?
Comment tu te sens maintenant?
You are fine.
Yes.
Thank you. Jesus have delivered you, okay?
Yes.
You are a real woman now. All those problems in the house, you will not see them again. Okay?